What is up everyone, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix incoming calls problem or incoming calls are not showing on your display problem in Vivo Y21. So before you're starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So to fix Vivo Y21 incoming calls not showing on display or incoming calls problem, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings and then go to call settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.